Adding Shopify color swatches on the product page is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up your Shopify account in the web browser. Once you get into your account, click on its Add Apps. Then, search for the Color Swatch app in here. Then, you will find so many apps relevant to your search by running the query. Click on the Glow Color Swatch app from here. Then, click to install the app. The app is ready to hit the Install App button. And now the app is installed into your Shopify account. So, install the app. If you decide to use a Color Swatch app, follow the installation instructions provided by the app. This typically involves going to the Shopify App Store, finding the app you want to use, and clicking the Add App button. Now, configure the color swatches. Once the app is installed, configure the color swatch settings according to your preferences. This may include choosing the shape, size, and appearance of the swatches. Then, ensure that your product variants are set up correctly, especially if your products come in different colors. Each color variant should have its image associated with it.